Bake off, feeling nervous, allergic to eggs. How will Beanie solve this baking problem? Chibi Life, Baking Brilliance by Maxine. 28 minus 13, our teacher said. It was just another day at school when teachers give me grades and do boring stuff. Me and my friends went to the benches in the school garden to chat or hang out like we always do. Are you joining the girls' cheerleading club? Kiki asked Coco. IDK, thinking of going to the art club, Coco replied. Really? That means we're going to the same club, I told her. We just continued chatting until Sydney started talking. I heard there's a bake-off next week, she said. We should totally join, Coco and Kiki said, excited. And by we, they mean me. IDK guys, I know you're cooking prodigies, but I don't know much about baking, I told them. I remember on Christmas last year, it was my turn to make cookies. It was our family tradition. I added salt instead of sugar. My mom looked like she was poisoned. Since that day, I never baked again. Come on, Beanie, they all reasoned with me. Okay, fine, I finally surrendered. But don't tell me I didn't warn you when you get poisoned. I can't believe I let them hypnotize me like that. Come on, me. You're just pulling your arms until it comes off. I argued for myself for about 5 minutes. The upcoming week, I was feeling very nervous. And extra nervous when it was Friday. OMG, the bake-off is tomorrow, they all yelled. They were yelling in excitement. I was yelling in frustration. The next morning, I couldn't get out of bed. Not because I was tired of spending most of the night running around freaking out, but because I had an excuse to not go to Bake Off. I was so worried, but I knew I couldn't stay in bed forever. If I did, my mom would make me stay at the hospital longer than forever. So I got out of bed 10:22. I had my breakfast, pretended I was too busy to be with my friends, and eventually went to my friends. I am so excited, Coco said. I spent 3 straight hours working on my muffin recipe, Kiki said. I am so not excited. I kinda copied Coco. They were so excited, how could I quit? That was when I remembered something. I'm allergic to eggs. The eggs I used at the cookie incident were organic. I'm only allergic to artificial. And the eggs you mostly find at the mall are artificial. That time, I was so, I think the picture will let you know. Eek, panic, panic. What you just saw was the picture. I was so panicked to think about other things, like Coco. Do you want chips, Beanie? Me. Kiki, do you want to play a game, Beanie? Me. Sydney, I have tickets to the cinema. Want to join? OMG, I can't believe I just said to going to the cinema. I was going too far for my panicking. Finally, the bake-off started. I took a deep breath, did some yoga, and hoped I wasn't in the first pair of contestants. Beanie, the manager said, you're in the first pair. Great, just great. Now I have to do more deep breathing and yoga. And without any time, with only a minute to spare, I leaped onto the stage. We brought all of our ingredients. I got the flour, then the water, milk, and so on. I didn't bring the eggs just yet. That would be bad for my health. So I started baking. The good news is I can't use salt instead of sugar. They were already prepared by the employees. I sighed of relief. Finally came the egg part. When I brought them out, my eyes were already getting a bit teary. So I got one out and quickly threw the others to the invisible trash can. Or was there no trash can? Who cares? I got it through with the baking, and guess what? I won first place. I guess I'm not that bad at baking after all.